Ever wondered about the secret to losing belly fat? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're delving into the world of belly fat reduction, debunking myths, and giving you the real deal on how to achieve a healthier, leaner you. The first step to losing belly fat is understanding it. Belly fat isn't just a cosmetic issue, it can also impact your health. It's linked with conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. But fear not, with the right approach, it's something you can definitely tackle. So, where do we start? With your diet. Yes, what you eat plays a significant role in your belly fat. You want to focus on a balanced diet filled with lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol. Remember, it's not about starving yourself, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Next, let's talk about exercise. No, you don't need to spend hours on the treadmill. In fact, a mix of cardio and strength training is the most effective way to burn belly fat. High-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, is a great way to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise 5 days a week. Now, don't overlook the power of a good night's sleep. Research shows that people who don't get enough sleep tend to gain more weight, which can lead to belly fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and try to keep a consistent sleep schedule. And finally, manage your stress. High stress levels can cause your body to produce cortisol, a hormone that leads to weight gain, particularly in the belly area. Find effective ways to relax, whether it's through yoga, meditation, or even a leisurely walk in the park. So, to summarize, losing belly fat involves a combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management. It's not about quick fixes or magic solutions. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that will not only help you lose belly fat but also improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key, and every small step you take towards your goal is a win. So get started on your journey to a healthier you today.